Are you struggling with improving visibility for your products on Amazon? In this video, I'm going to talk about the newest trick within Amazon's SEO that you can really utilize to drive a lot of traffic onto your product pages. I'm Sheval Choksi. I'm the co-founder of Your Seller. We're a team of Amazon experts and we help sellers grow their business on Amazon and at the same time be profitable. So one of the most underrated areas in a product listing on Amazon that you can utilize more specifically from the sheer impact that it can have on your organic ranking and conversions is the backend search terms. Now, Amazon has been testing out versions of this in the past few days. So 250 bytes was the original space that was available to add these, and now this has been increased to a whopping 2500 characters. You get 5 fields of 500 characters each, and we usually use a combination of search terms from brand analytics within Amazon, along with Cerebro from Helium 10 and Frankenstein from Helium 10 to formulate these. When we at YS look at backend search terms, we use a typical process that we follow for our clients, and this is what it looks like. For example's sake, let's just assume that this is for a water bottle. The first step is to identify at least 7 to 9 competitors in your category. So I would suggest you go to the Amazon bestsellers page and identify, again, 7 to 9 competitors that are like really closely relevant to the product. Take all the ASINs and add them into Cerebro on Helium 10. As you click on get keywords on Helium 10, you would find a few thousand keywords that Helium 10 will give you where competition is basically targeting them in one way or the other. You would want to sort them by search volume so that the most searched keywords appear ahead of the ones that are not searched as much. Export this list into an Excel sheet and then head over to brand analytics within Amazon and search for the most broad keyword that basically defines the product. So in this case, water bottle is the keyword that I feel is quite broadly relevant. You can see all the keywords that Amazon gives which have water bottle as a phrase present. Water bottle by itself was the 49th most searched term on Amazon in the last month. Again, you can use a monthly timeline or a quarterly timeline depending on the kind of product that you are searching this for. But take this data and export that into another Excel sheet. Now you want to do another search for one of the more broader areas that you can think this particular product will fit into. So something like kitchen essentials or maybe say travel accessories. That might be a good fit, but a broad fit for this product. So let's just try searching for essentials. So yeah, great. Travel essentials has a really good search frequency rank. Camping essentials has a really good rank. Home essentials has a really good rank. So you can use phrases like these also. Again, export all of these keywords into an Excel sheet. What you'd want to do after that is use the keywords from Cerebro, from the most relevant search that you did from brand analytics and the broadly relevant keywords, and filter these out for any keywords that are non-relevant or not needed. And then head over to Helium 10 into Frankenstein and paste those keywords. And this would give you a list of all unique search terms that can be used in order to be added into Amazon. Now head over to Amazon, take all of these keywords, paste it into your Amazon search, Amazon edit page. You get 5 fields for 500 characters each. So you would just need to paste them accordingly. In case you find there are more characters, like you can see it here, because of the fact that we have not filtered these keywords out, it's just as an example. You can take the first 2500 as they are going to be the most potent. Once this is done, you just click on save and then you are done. This change of 2500 characters is not something that every brand right now is able to capitalize on. And so if you are a new seller looking to launch your products on Amazon or an existing one looking to improve visibility of your products, then this could again give you a really good first move advantage and get the benefit of getting ranked higher and indexed better. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you for watching. Cheers.